Very good morning to all of you, my dear children. Sai Ram. I welcome you all to this new year, that is 2021. So, we are starting our class mm, in this year. This is first class, so this is more special for us, right? So, we are very blessed that we are entering into a new year, right? So, I wish to convey my hearty New Year wishes to all of you. Happy New Year. In today's class, we are going to see a small revision about the previous chapter, that is means of communication. Means of communication. So, we are going to revise this chapter in the upcoming classes. So, shall we start our today's session? Are you all ready? Yes. The content from this lesson that we are going to learn is means of communication. As we all know, the postal system, telephone, mass communication, satellites, internet and email, smartphones and e-readers. So these all are the topics that we are going to study from this chapter. So today we will start the revision session of this chapter. Okay. First, we are going to see what is communication. That we are in classroom, uh, I will convey some message to you and you will convey some message to me, right? So what is that? Communication. So sending and receiving information or message is called communication. What is communication? Sending and receiving information or message is called communication. Long ago, a trained pigeons carried messages from one place to another. Um, Long ago means some years ago, right? So when people that means when kings are used to rule that place, that time na the trained pigeons were there. So they used to carry the messages from one place to another. So that is the way of communication in that time. So first communication is trained pigeons which carries message from one place to another. Next one, people went on foot or on animals to deliver messages, but these means were very slow and not reliable. So people used to go in person and deliver some messages, or an animals used to deliver messages, but these means are very slow and not reliable at all times, right? So we have seen the long ago procedures of communication. So now we have several faster and more reliable means of communication. So nowadays we have several faster and more reliable sources that we can communicate with. Communications that we are using. So the first mean of communication is postal system. What system? Postal system. Letter is one of the cheapest and the most popular means of communication. So in earlier 80s, 90s, so people that time used to write letters to send some so to convey some messages or information to other people. So letter is one of the cheapest and the most popular means of communication. Then we can buy stamps, inland letters, postcards and stamped envelopes from the post office, and we can write letters. So old times, it means in the earlier 80s, 90s, that time we used to, and in our age time, we used to receive a mark list and everything, annual report, that is result of every academic year. We used to collect all the results through postcards and inland letters itself. So we can buy stamps, inland letters, postcards and stamped envelopes from the post office and can write letters. Next one. Next point that we are going to see in postal system is in postcard or inland letter. In inland letter, that front page we can see the address line and pin code that will be there. So there we have to write the to address, that is those who will receive the letter na, that address we have to mention there, and backside address we have to mention our address in inland letter. In postcard we have to mention that to address and from address in same page itself. So that is it. So we must write the complete address along with the pin code. The next one, urgent letters or parcels can be sent to any city of our country through speed post or by courier. So we used to send some urgent letters or parcels or any other documents that is not important document, but which is urgent letter we used to send to any city within our country through speed post or by courier. So first system, that is the first mean of communication, is postal system that we are seeing now. The first point is letter is the one of the cheapest and most popular means of communication. We can buy stamps, inland letters, postcards and stamped envelopes from the post office and can write letters. We must write the complete address along with the PIN code. The PIN code is 6-digit number which is used to find out the accurate area, the particular area. Okay. Urgent, urgent letter. PIN code, postal index number. PIN, the PIN mentioned here now. So what is it? PIN, postal index number, that is a particular area's number. So I want to tell you something. The postal system in India was started by the British people in the year 1766. So postal system was started in the year 1766, which was started by the British people. The first post office was established in Kolkata in 1774. So after 8 years, they have established their first post office in Kolkata. And nowadays, the Indian postal system is the largest in the world. All over the world, we can see the postal system, right? And one more thing, as I said, PIN stands for postal index number. Postal index number, and address has a 6-digit PIN code, right? Post offices in India are numbered to make distribution of email, that is mail, easier and faster. So using this PIN code, the post office people, they used to distribute their mails easier and faster. Now next is telegraph. The invention of telegraph in the year 1837 enabled messages to be sent instantly over great distances. These messages are called telegrams. Telegrams were usually used to send urgent telegram was sent in July 2013. So after 2013, people doesn't use the telegram, right? So telegram is usually used to send urgent messages only. So the invention of telegraph was invented in 1837, It is used to enable messages to be sent instantly over great distances. These messages were called telegrams, and telegrams were usually used to send this urgent messages. With the invention of the telephone, the importance of after telephone system came now, the importance of that is telegraph reduced. In India, the last telegram was sent in July 2013. So next we are going to see the next means of communication, that is telephone. The fastest means of communication is the telephone. The fastest means of communication is the telephone. We can easily talk to our friends and relatives in India or outside our country on telephones. Written messages can be sent instantly through a fax machine. We can send short messages or SMS through our mobile phones. So first point in the fastest means of communication is the telephone. The fastest means of communication is the telephone. We can easily talk to our friend and relatives in India or outside our country on telephones. Okay. So written messages, third point, written messages can be sent instantly through a fax machine. A fax machine, there we have to enter the numbers that we are supposed to send the written messages. Okay. And one more information about fax machine, it has to be connected with the telephone network. Okay. And now we are going to see about the mass communication. Companies often need to advertise their products to a large number of people at the same time. News about what is happening around the world reaches to a large number of people through newspapers, magazines, radio, and television. These are called the means of mass communication or mass media, as they help to communicate with a large number of people at the same time. They used to communicate with a large number of people at the same time. So they used mass media or mass communication. A newspaper gives us detailed news of events taking place in our country as well as in the world. Radio and television provide the latest information on important events. We can listen and watch entertainment and other variety of programs in radio and television. Television has become the most popular means of communication everywhere. So, in today's class, we have seen the topics telephone and one more postal system and mass communication. These three topics we have covered today, right? So, you just go through with the topics. We will meet in New Year holidays, as well as don't forget to study. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.